It's 11 a.m. on December 31st, and here's an updated multimedia briefing about the snowfall we're expecting this afternoon into tonight, and then the lake effect snow we're expecting Wednesday night into Thursday. My name's Jamie, and I work for the National Weather Service office in Chicago. So we got quite a few things to discuss here. First is the accumulating snow we're expecting this afternoon into Wednesday morning or possibly afternoon. This is for northern Illinois and far northwestern Indiana. And the impacts we're expecting is treacherous travel due to snow-covered roads, and then there should be some reduced visibility during the heavier periods of snow. Then for tonight, low temperatures will fall between 5 and 16 degrees above zero. That would be north of Interstate 80. But then wind chills will be between 5 above zero and 11 below zero, once again north of Interstate 80, with the coldest air being located near the Rockford area. While this is not extreme cold, given that it is New Year's Eve and we're expecting people to be outside, please remember to wear layers of clothing and have a place to warm up. Then we look forward to the lake effect snow event that we're expecting Wednesday night into Thursday, and there currently is a lake effect snow watch out. That would include Lake and Cook counties in Illinois and Lake County in Indiana. Once again, just continued treacherous travel due to snow-covered roads and reduced visibilities. So first we'll start with the snow expected to start this afternoon, and here are the start times. You can see in the blue area for north central Illinois, northwestern Illinois, the snow will begin falling early to mid this afternoon and then spread eastward across the Chicago metro area and far northern northwest Indiana, and with snow beginning to fall around sunset across Chicago and northwest Indiana. As far as headlines are concerned, right now we have a winter weather advisory for northern Illinois and far northwestern Indiana. You can see over northwestern and north central Illinois that winter weather advisory begins at 2 p.m. and then the snow begins to shift eastward for the Chicago metro area and Lake and Porter counties, Indiana. The advisory begins at 4 p.m. And we just issued a lake effect snow watch. Once again, that's for Lake and Cook counties in Illinois and Lake County, Indiana. That begins late Wednesday night and goes into Thursday. So for today's event, which would be Snowfall, that begins this afternoon through New Year's Day morning and possibly afternoon, latest models are indicating the snow may linger until the afternoon hours. We're looking at generally 3 to 6 inches of snow north of I-80, and then south of I-80 less than 4 inches of snow. Getting down to the Pontiac, Gibson City, and Benton County areas in Indiana, we'll probably see less than an inch of snow. Now for the areas north of I-80, if that snow does continue into the afternoon hours on New Year's Day, snow totals could be even a little bit higher than currently forecast. Please just stay tuned to future forecasts to see what we're thinking. Then we have lake effect snow expected Wednesday night into Thursday. Like I said, there's a lake effect snow watch issued for Lake and Cook counties in Illinois and Lake County, Indiana. For that watch, we're looking at localized amounts of 6 inches or more, and snowfall rates could easily exceed over an inch per hour. Where exactly this band sets up is still a little bit up in the air over those counties I mentioned, just because of the mesoscale nature of lake effect snow. But if you are caught under one of those bands, expect to have severely reduced visibilities and some very heavy snowfall. So going over the impacts we're expecting over the next few days, yet again, we've got a snowfall event that's going to start this afternoon and persist into New Year's Day morning, possibly afternoon, and that's for northern Illinois and northwest Indiana, causing some treacherous travel and reduced visibilities. Temperatures tonight will remain above zero, but wind chills will be north of I-80 will be slightly above zero to below zero, depending on where you're at, so please stay warm as you celebrate the new year. And then we've got lake effect snow expected for Lake and Cook counties in Illinois and Lake County, Indiana, late Wednesday night into Thursday, with continuous treacherous travel. Once again, it's 11 a.m. on December 31st. My name is Jamie, and I work for the National Weather Service. Please stay tuned to the latest forecast at our website at www.weather.gov/Chicago, or check us out on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks, and have a Happy New Year.